Shillong MP Dr. Ricky Syngkon yesterday visited Jawai to campaign for VPP candidate Andrew Shalai, who is contesting from the Jawai North constituency. Addressing a gathering, Syngkon praised the VPP's rapid rise, emphasizing its foundation on trust, faith and sincerity. He expressed gratitude to the public for electing him as their MP and assured all citizens, regardless of their vote, that he would serve them faithfully. Syngkon stressed that the VPP aims to combat the political corruption fueled by money power in Meghalaya, and he expressed optimism for change.
The politics coming out snow, kajing patay to keep real kaday kabajak clear. Day nam day na. Kata kaday kabaki ong kapay. Kabajak clear the politics. Klam ka top, klam ka shukor mlong, klam ka panbid rum mlong. Kata kaday ka politics coming out snow. Kani kaday kajak politics. Anong yapi kabalapan here door, ya kani kajala kabay jongi. Kabang idan kam kalong, tang ban sulet hop, tang ban tre hop, ngitrong ban ni angnut. Bagin rock yang ikan nam bagi ke burom, jong kan ikan jelah ke bait ke jongi. Pat manang epi kamdon ke bait, kamdon ke bamlak.